Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today we will discuss PMC practice tests that are paid and given in 600 rupees per 6 test. Here is the portion of logical reasoning portion of first paid practice test given by PMC. We will solve it and discuss its possible answers and correct answers. Here the first question is from curse of action portion. What is curse of action portion? Just a simple portion containing any step take to solve or minimize the effect of problem. Here we will be given with problem, we have to solve it, we have to minimize it. It is the curse of action. Second, you have to read the statement carefully and note the hint words given in the statement. Every statement would contain 1, 2, 3 or many hint words that will guide you to curse of actions. Here now read the statement. The statement is there is unprecedented increase in migration. First, what is increasing? Migration is increasing. Stop here and now think of what you have to do to decrease this migration. Migration can be decreased where the migration is from villages to urban areas. It can be decreased by providing the facilities in villages or by upgrading the villages. Now see the curse of action. Is there any curse of action that is upgrading the villages? First curse of action is the villagers should be provided with alternate source of income in their villages which will make them stay put. It is not upgrading the villages. Second, the migrated villagers should be provided with jobs in urban areas to help them survive. Here is the jobs are providing in urban areas, not villages. So both statement will be wrong according to this part of statement. Now read next part of statement. There is unprecedented increase in migration of villagers to urban areas as repeated crop failure have put them in precarious financial conditions. What is failure? Crop failure. As crop failure is repeated once after the other and again, like in other countries we are looking at. If we look at the other countries, they are using many technologies, many new equipments to solve their problems, to increase their production of crop failure, but we are not using. Its curse of action could be that provide them with equipments to cope with this crop failure or guide them against this crop failure. It could be curse of action, but as we have read both these curse of action, none of these curse of action is providing them with equipments. Second, repeated crop failure. When there is repeated crop failure, what could be then? For example, you are giving MDCAT. First time you gave MDCAT, second time you gave MDCAT, third time you gave MDCAT, but next you will not give MDCAT because you can't pass your whole life in this session of giving MDCAT. So you have to choose some alternate. As there is first statement, first curse of action is talking about alternate source of income, so it would be correct. As second is talking about upgradation of urban areas, not villages, so second will not be follows. Now again look at the statement and the curse of action. There is unprecedented increase in migration of villagers to urban areas as repeated crop failure had put them into precarious financial conditions. How their financial conditions are solved? By providing them with alternate source of income. If they are not getting income from crops, they are providing income with, they can add income with some other source. The villagers should be provided with alternate source of income in their villages which will make them stay put. Second is migrated villagers should be provided with job at the urban areas to help them survive. Second statement is providing them with jobs in urban areas. When there are jobs in urban areas, they will migrate to urban areas. Migration will increase, but we are talking about decrease of migration. Second statement is talking about increase of migration. As statement and second conclusions are wrong, so second will not be followed, only first one will be followed. So if we look at the option, first option is both of them follow, as second one is not followed, so alpha will be wrong. Second is talking about only one follow, only one is correct, so Charlie is the correct option here. Alpha, beta, Charlie is according to PMC arrangement. Charlie will be correct option. So now we'll talk about next question. Question number 202. There is unprecedented increase in number of young and unemployed in comparison to previous year. A large number of candidates submitted applications against advertisement for the post of manager issued by bank. It is cause and effect. Simple cause and effect questions. How to solve cause and effect questions? Many students are facing difficulties in solving these questions because first thing, they are not practicing them. They are just saying this question will be solved. They will solve the question when they will see it, but it is wrong. First, you have to practice well to solve these questions in the MCAT test. Second, I will tell you about a hint or a trick to solve these questions. Use word so or therefore. Word so or therefore to solve these questions. So or therefore are effect generating words. Like if I read a first statement, there is unprecedented increase in number of young unemployed. What is increasing? Unemployment is increasing. As unemployment is increasing, so if we suppose 2 to 3 its conclusions, its effects, as unemployment is increasing, so the country will be degressed. Second, as unemployment is increasing, so these people are protesting for jobs. Third one could be that as unemployment is increasing, so there are many applicants for a single job. These three could be its effects. Now read first statement and second statement start with word so. There are unprecedented increase in number of young unemployed in the comparison to previous years. So a large number of candidates submitted application against advertisement for post of manager. Unemployment increased. There are many candidates for single job. Correct cause and effect. First would be cause and second statement would be effect. So alpha will be correct option. Statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is the effect. Beta is talking about statement 2 is cause, statement 1 is effect. That is wrong. If I read it, a large number of candidates submitted application against an advertisement for post of manager issued by bank. So there is unprecedented increase in young employment. So it will be totally wrong to say these terms. This statement will be totally wrong. So alpha is the correct option. Now come to our third MCQs. 203 MCQs. This MCQs is about fact. Fact. What is fact? First you have to know what is fact. Fact is anything that is known to you. You know it. Second, fact is anything that is known or proved to be true. It should be proved to be true. Second, it should be known. There should be a proper statement or proper known condition for any fact, or it should be proved. Now read these three facts. First fact is that a boy has 4 cars. It is a fact. Second fact is that 2 of his cars are red. Correct. Two of his cars are red. Out of 4, 2 are red, but we don't know which 2 are red. Third fact is he have 1 sport car. We know he has 4 cars, but we don't know he has which of 1 is sport car. 2 are red, don't know which are red. 1 is sport car, we don't know which one is the sport car. So its conclusion will be that. So it's correct. Anti-fact, it's correct. Fact will be that. Reading the first fact is that the boy has red sport car. As we know that he has 4 cars. 2 of his are red, but there is no fact about there is no proof or no fact about that his red car is his sport car. As there is no proof for this statement, so statement 1 will be wrong. Now look at the second statement. He has 2 Corolla cars. As there is no Corolla word is used or no proof for this statement, so it will also be wrong. Now look at the third one. His favorite color is red. As he has 2 cars, 4 cars and 2 are red. Some student will say as he has 2 red cars, so red cars are due to that he may have red as a favorite color, but we cannot assume anything in fact. When we are talking about fact, we need just evidence, we need just proof. When there is no proof, when there is no evidence, we will consider it wrong. So third statement will also be wrong as there is no evidence for its correctness or incorrectness. So all 3 facts will be wrong. First fact, the boy has red sport car is wrong. He has 2 Corolla cars is wrong. His favorite color is red is also wrong. Now look at the option. Option 1 is only 1 and 2 follow wrong. 1 is not being followed because there is no proof for 1, and similarly there is no proof for 2. Only 3 follow. It is also wrong because there is no proof for third statement. Only 2 follow. It is also wrong. None of the statement is a fact is the correct option. Delta will be correct option. Now look at the question number 204. Logical deduction or syllogism portion. Logical deduction portion. Easy portion, but some students face it difficult. Some student cannot solve its MCQs at once, so takes some time. We will solve it by 2 methods. First method I have already provided you lecture with, that income expense method, we provide them with income and get the expense in the conclusion. Second method, that is mostly used method, is Venn diagram method. Now solve it by first method. Some papers are pens. I have already talked about some, all, none, no. What are their incomes? Some, what is income of some? 50-50. Income of some is 50-50. So we'll assign paper with the value of 50, pen with the value of 50. Both will be assigned with value of 50-50. Now angle. As there is no sum or all term is angle, so it will be given less than all value. All value is 100. 50. As it is not equal to all but not equal to sum, it will be given value less than 100. Most probably the given values are 50-50, same for it. 50-50 values are given for it. Now what is the income of papers? Income of paper is 50, income of pen is 50, income of angle is 50, income of paper is 50 in second statement. Now look at the conclusion. First conclusion is negative. I have already told about the rule that if two statements are positive, their conclusion cannot be negative. If one statement is positive and one statement is negative, its conclusion will be negative, and if both statements are negative, there will be no conclusion for this statement. As these both statements are positive, so negative conclusion will be totally wrong, 100% wrong. So first conclusion will be wrong. Now look at the second conclusion. Second conclusion involves word angle and pen. Pen is in the first statement and angle is in the second statement. What to do now? Merge these statements. I have already told about the rule of merging. How to merge? First, two statements can be merged if they have a similar word, at least a word that is similar in them. Here what is the similar word? Paper. Similar word is the paper. Similar word. First rule is qualified, that they have similar word. But I have told about two rules of merging. First is similar word. Second is one of these words should have income of 100. As in above statement, some papers are pen, income of papers is 50, and in second statement, income of paper is 50. Both are 15. There is none is the 50. So according to second rule, they cannot be merged. As two statements cannot be merged, so they will give no conclusion. Those two statements which cannot be merged, they will give no conclusion. So in this context, beta option will also be wrong. Now look at its option. Option 1 is only conclusion 2 follow, as second conclusion is wrong because statement cannot be merged. Charlie option is neither 1 nor 2 follows. Beta is either 1 or 2 follows. Delta is both 1 and 2 follows. Now the correct statement is beta, either 1 or 2 follows. I have already told about the rule of either, when to follow either and one to follow neither. I have already told about these two rules. Now I repeat them. Use either 1 or 2 follows when both statement are wrong. Both statement as wrong. As in this question, are both statement as wrong, so both statement are wrong, so it will be either. But it has three rules. First is both statement as wrong, first is followed, so either 1 or 2 follow will be correct. Second is same elements in both extreme terms. Its extreme terms should contain same elements. As in this statement, both extreme terms should contain same element of pen. Pen is the last term of one statement, pen is the last term of second statement. It is both conclusion are wrong. Second is extreme terms, so it is also, according to second, it is also either 1 or 2. Now look at the third rule. Third rule is one conclusion should be positive and one conclusion should be negative. As its third is also qualified that one conclusion is positive, angle is not a pen, negative, and second is the positive, so the correct will be either 1 or 2. We follow neither 1 or 2 when there are neither 1 or 2 follow when there is not when the rule of either 1 or 2 are not followed. But here rule of either 1 or 2 are followed, so correct answer will be beta. Beta will be correct answer for us. Now look at now solve it by Venn diagram method. Solve it by Venn diagram method. Okay, some papers are pen. We have some papers, this is pen. Some papers are pen. Papers, pen. I am showing pen by N or papers by P. Some papers are part of pen. Pen is a big term, paper is a small term. Some papers are part of pen. Similarly, some angle is a paper. Angle is a paper. This is a paper and this is also an angle. This is paper, this is also angle. Now look at the conclusion. Angle is not a paper. Statement is saying that angle is a paper. According to Venn diagram, angle is a paper, paper is an angle. Angle is a paper, paper is an angle. So one conclusion is saying angle is not a pen. Angle is not a pen. Angle is a paper. Angle is not a pen is saying in first statement. But if we see at this portion as angle is a paper, so angle is a paper, so paper is a pen, so angle is a pen. Statement conclusion one is saying that angle is not pen, but angle is a pen according to this Venn diagram. As angle is a paper, so angle is paper in this context also. Angle is paper, so paper is pen, so angle will also be pen. Angle will also be pen. So statement 1 will be wrong because angle is a pen. Now look at the statement 2. Statement 2 is saying that angle is pen. Angle is pen. There is two types of Venn diagram. One is the basic Venn diagram, second is the possible Venn diagram. If I solve it by possible Venn diagram like A, B, C method, I will assign paper as E, pen B, angle C. Some papers are pen, these are papers. Papers are pens. Some angles are papers. Some angles are paper. Angle will be C. Angle will be C. Paper will be A and pen will be B. Some A are B. Some A are B. Some papers are pen. Angles are paper. These two are merging. And statement 2 conclusion 2 is saying that angle is a pen. Angle is here, pen is here. According to this possible diagram, statement conclusion 2 is wrong. According to this possible diagram, conclusion 2 is wrong. Conclusion 2 is correct according to basic diagram that I discussed for this statement. But conclusion 2 is wrong for this possible diagram that I have drawn now. To correct a statement is correct when it qualify both rules. That statement, it qualifies statement 1 rule, basic Venn diagram rule, and possible Venn diagram rule. As it is not following both, so it will also wrong and it will follow either 1 or 2 rule. Now look at the next question. Question number 205. The farmers have decided against selling their kharif crops to government agencies. Have decided against selling their kharif crops to government agencies. Second is the government has reduced the procurement price of kharif crops starting from last month to next 6 years. First is, look at the first statement. Look at its hint word, that is the cause and effect question. Cause and effect question contain hint word and it can be solved by so and therefore method. Third is, you have to practice to solve these questions. First is, the farmer have decided against. What decided against? Why they decided against? There should be some cause of their deciding against selling their kharif crops. Deciding against, why they decided against, there should be cause. Now look at the second statement. The government has reduced the procurement price of kharif crops. Government has reduced procurement price of kharif crops. When the price is decreased, farmers have decided against selling their crops. Now read in the so and therefore method. The government has reduced the procurement price of kharif crops starting from last month to next 6 years. So the farmer have decided against selling their kharif crops to government. It is giving the answer of why it is correct sentence. We read with so second will be the cause and first one will be effect. Statement 2 is the cause and statement 1 will be effect. So correct option will be option beta. Therefore correct option will be option beta. Option 1 is saying that statement 1 is the cause and 2 is the effect. That is the wrong option. Option beta is the correct option. Here is option beta will be correct option. Now look at the question number 206. A competition always has. What is the vital part of competition? A competition cannot be held without reward. No, there are many competitions that are without reward. Many players play for many. There are many players that do not play for rewards. Spectators, without spectators, like here are in corona situations, there are many competitions that are without spectators. Referee, there is no need of referee in many situations, like there are many games held in Olympics where there was no referee. Similarly in cricket there is no referee, so a competition can be without referee. But there is no competition without rivals, no competition without rivals. Pakistan, if we are playing cricket, Pakistan cannot be play with itself. We should have some rival, like England, like India, anyone. So the vital part of any competition is rivals. Beta will be correct option. Vital part of any competition is the rival. Now look at the next 207 question. Which word does not belong to others? Which one word is the correct that is not belong to other? Index. Index is a part of chapter. Chapter, glossary. Index, glossary, chapter. These three are related to reading. These three are relating to one term. Like if there is a chapter, chapter has index, index has chapter has glossary. So these three words are interrelated, but book is not interrelated to them. Book is not interrelated to these terms. Terms are related glossary, index and chapter. So delta will be correct option. Now look at the 208 MCQs. It is the passage is given and we have to answer it and we have to tell about the correct answer. Children are in pursuit of a dog whose lash has broken. There is a dog whose lash has broken. James is directly behind the dog. This is considered that this is the dog and James is directly behind the dog. Rachel is behind the Ruby. Rachel, where is the Rachel? It is behind the Ruby. Consider here is the Ruby and here is the Rachel. Rachel is behind the Ruby. Max is ahead the dog walking down the street in opposite direction. Here is the dog walking in the street, and in same street Max is present. Max is in the same street walking opposite. Max is ahead the dog. Now as the children and dog passes, Max turns around and joins the pursuit. When dog passed, Max joined the James. Max joined the James. Now Max turns around and joins the pursuit. He runs in behind Ruby. He is running behind the Ruby. James runs faster and is long aside the dog on the left. Ruby runs faster and is alongside the dog on right, while children is directly behind the dog. Now they have saying that who is behind the Ruby? Max. Max is behind the Ruby. But in next statement they are saying that James run faster and is along the side on the left side. Where is the James is gone on the first? James was directly behind, but then it goes to left side and Ruby went to right side. So now who is directly behind the dog? Who is directly behind the dog? Max. Max is now directly behind the dog. So the correct answer will be delta. You can solve it by drawing it, or if you can simply solve it without drawing it. It is a simple passage and can be solved easily. Now look at our 209 MCQs. Direction in each of the following question is a statement is given followed by two conclusion, give answer. Statement, here is the statement: without reforming the entire administrative system, we cannot eradicate corruption, prejudice from the society. Assumption, statement is given that without performing the entire administrative system, it is saying that to reduce corruption, what is needed to reduce corruption? Reforming the entire administrative system. We have to introduce some reforms in the system so that corruption can be eradicated. Now look at the assumptions. First assumption is that existence of corruption and prejudice is good, as the statement is talking about eradicate the corruptions. Conclusion 1 or assumption 1 is saying that it is good, so it will be wrong because it is not following the statement. Now look at the second conclusion or assumption: there is enough flexibility to change the administrative system. As now we are talking about reforms showing that there is a flexibility in this system, so second statement will be correct. There is enough flexibility to change the administrative system. When there is reform, there is flexibility. So statement 2 is the correct. There will be correct option that only assumption 2 is implicit. So assumption 2 only can be implied. Now look at the question number 210 question number. There is a statement is A 25, B 625, C 15, 625. A, B, C, D in all statements, so we will ignore the term D. Now look at the next one 25. First is 25 into 25 equal to 625. When there is 25 into 25 equal to 625. When there is 625 into 25, when there is 625 into 25, it will be 15,625. When there will be 625 multiplied by 25, there will be 625. 15,625. Similarly, when we will multiply 15,625, we will get 390,625. So alpha will be correct option, 390,625. It was the discussion of logical reasoning portion of PMC practice tests that are paid. It was first practice test. Inshallah we'll discuss all other practice tests and other biology, chemistry and physics portion will also inshallah. Jazakallah. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.